G'day everybody, James Grego from Grundfos Australia. Today we're here in South Bank, Melbourne, Australia, where we have two of our new Grundfos UNILIFT APG grinders servicing a wastewater pit. These pumps are servicing parkland, a public pool, excess river water overflow including salty sandy water and public toilets for the last 4 months. These pumps have been processing everything from general wastewater, diapers, sanitary wipes, face masks and general garden waste, and doing it with flying colours. And the best part is both the installer and the client are extremely happy with the performance of the pumps and haven't had any issues they'd been having previously with competitors' units, such as pump blockages and the pumps just not being up to the challenge, and of course, consistent breakdowns.
The APG grinder itself, we find it lightweight, it's easy to install, it's got multiple size couplings and you can adapt it to most size pit outlets. Its serviceability is quite easy, you can lift it, clean it and then basically check the blades and you're done. Before we put this pump in, this particular building suffered multiple breakdowns with pit floods, and since we've installed the new APG, the performance has been flawless and building managers are very happy.
One of the key features of the UNILIFT APG grinder is the new Grundfos combi flange. The combi flange consists of a DN40, DN32 or a threaded connection. What this does, it actually offers the ability to be able to go into any situation, no matter where or when the plumber turns up the site. Whatever problem he's faced with, he's able to get that in nice and easy.
We're really happy with the LC231. We've been able to get the Grundfos Go app and download the information and present that to our building manager, who's been very pleased with the performance of the pump and the controller.